Alright, we're going to try a little video here. I don't know if the lighting's good enough. Just epoxy primered the firewall. I don't know if you can see it here. Epoxy primered. The car's on a rotisserie, so it's not like I'm playing Batman here. Got the first stage of starting to paint. Over here, you can see I got the heat lights going. I don't know if it's going to drown this out. You can see the bottom has all been epoxy primered. You got some other little spots to contend with here. I missed a couple pinholes. But other than that, it looks pretty nice, I think. 2 coats of epoxy primer on the bottom of the car. I'm going to paint the other part behind the wheel wells later on. Getting late. So it's coming along. Little update video. Tomorrow, hopefully, we're going to get into priming this. I started on the bottom versus the top. Now I'm ready to go over this one more time, lightly sandblasting it. And start epoxy primer in it. Alright. We're in my makeshift paint booth here. The fan's going. My nephew called it the meth lab. I got a kick out of that. Watching too much TV. So, I'll give you another update later. I'll walk around the back here. You can check it out one more time. It's really nice and clean. Months of looking at it in its raw form. Now seeing it all come together. First coat of primer on it. Looks really clean.